Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The video today was a process. It started with clean with me and it turned into fix with me. Follow me during the journey.
Welcome to Clean With Me 360. Oh my god, I decided that I wanted to remove everything like washing machine, fridge, everything. This is the laundry situation. Oh my god. Look here, so dusty. Voice, are you gonna help or are you gonna be a problem? Do it. What was I thinking? Okay. Let me see if this piece is going in. Yes! Okay, let's keep cleaning. We are totally clean. Not organized, but clean. This clean with me became fix with me. I'm gonna show you. Here I keep all my cleaning products. And I have one of these that I'm missing in the bathroom downstairs. Look what I thought. We are in the kitchen and here I have something for onions and potatoes, and I can use this on the other side to put all my sponges. I have already found a new spot for my potatoes. Sand, spray. The transition has been perfect. I fit even more stuff because underneath there is space. I spray painted also the hooks. Super chic. Cluck, cluck. Da-da-da-da-da. Dealing with a bedroom that in this moment maybe is the easiest thing to do. Are you one of those people that put the pajama under the pillow? Comment below. Voice is not the right time. It's too early. I didn't clean yet. Today we really want to clear out everything. Chlorine. I'm done. Oh my god, voice. I can't believe it. In this piece, there is a arrow, so you know in which direction you have to brush. Yesterday, I found out that this thing turns. I'm the most stupid in this world. Yes, I am. Another thing that maybe can help you if you have an L-shaped sofa, I'm using two throw blankets, and actually I am tucking in as much as I need to cover my part. Another new thing about my living room, I found this piece that was in one of the IKEA laundry bag, and I placed it here because I had the problem that this wire sometimes get caught by the blanket and my blanket was disappearing. Okay, boys. And I'm gonna go see here. Voila, so much better. Wow, my living room with voice as well and my bedroom are sparkly clean, but maybe I can't say the same for the kitchen. the fridge with a kind of stove. Oh my goodness! When I removed the things, disgusting! This adorable thing that I have like a stove. It's something that of course I have to throw away, and left these pieces, so with a little bit of chlorine. Voice, what the hell are you doing here? And here my magical eraser will come really handy. Go, let's go, you can do it. The kitchen is quite okay, even if it's not a kitchen as you can see, but it's clean. This rug, day by day, I have to clean it because it's taking up so much dirt. So I'm gonna remove it, I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna not put it in the kitchen anymore. Ready to clean the anyway, I will use a little bit of detergent. I will scoop it. For really hard stains, I'm gonna use dish soap. I'm going to use my fallow here. I can't do it with one hand, so let's pretend that I'm turning it. Let's start, boys. Let's start. It's okay. Voila. And my plan is to soak it with water, then put a little bit of scoop. Actually, it's a detergent for washing machine, and fairy time in really hard stains. Hello. I'm gonna brush it a little bit to see what will happen, to let the detergent soak it in. It's a really comfortable position. I'm becoming red, so bye. Boys, don't you dare. Oh my God. Whew. And the bathroom is clean. I don't know if you can see, but it's not in the best shape. So I really think that we can use these two downstairs and bring up the newest one, and I can cover them in gold. Let's give a quick clean to all of them. I think that you can clearly see the difference. Like, this is brand new and this is like more opaque. So I'm gonna bring this up to our bathroom that is newer. In this one, I'm gonna spray paint in gold because in the down bathroom we have golden accent and it will be perfect. So I am gonna cover the black pieces with a tape and let's go. Not to prime is a crime. Rusty dusty, bye bye. Something went wrong. Definitely went wrong. Where I put a lot of detergent didn't went up so well the primer, because for example here that it was less dirty, it's perfect. So let the take two begin. Whoa! Wow! Voila! And they match perfectly, as you can see. All of this. Oh my god, the sun. All of this wood, I want to place it in a really nice way, because maybe it will stay here also for all the summer, so I want to rearrange it.
I fixed a bunch of other things, so maybe to this video will follow a part 2. Anyway, that's it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and it's so important if you want to support the Sara Nena channel to subscribe. It's the red button down there. See you in the next one. Bye!